because I had drastically gained weight last year. I'm talking about 40 to 50 pounds in 2018. Hey guys, and welcome back to Keto Changed My Life. I thought it right to start off with my keto journey first before I start interviewing guests on their amazing transformations. Initially, I told myself that I'd do keto for 6 months to about a year before starting this channel so that I can be like, look guys, I lost 70 pounds. But then when I thought about it, it made more sense to take on the journey with you guys. For those of you who are new to keto, it's a low carb, high fat, and moderate protein diet, and the goal is for your body to eventually use fat as its primary source of fuel or energy. I've been hearing about keto for a couple of years because I've worked with patients who were on keto for medical reasons, but I really started to pay attention to it a few months ago when I saw a friend of mine lose weight in what seemed like seconds, honestly. I took a break off social media, and when I came back, I saw one of her pictures that she posted, and my jaw literally dropped, guys. I was like, what are you doing, girl? I think at that point, I was convinced that keto is what I needed to do because I had drastically gained weight last year. I'm talking about 40 to 50 pounds in 2018. My first day of keto was January 2nd, 2019, so literally last month, but I did about a month's worth of research before I got started. I'm currently doing strict keto where I'm counting my macros with intermittent fasting on a 20 to 4 schedule. So I'm eating 2 meals within a 4-hour period and then fasting for 20 hours. I have to say there's times where I haven't been able to fast for the 20 hours, so I tend to do a 16 to 8 schedule on those days. The first week for me was really tough, guys, because I love rice. I can have rice for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. And so I had some serious cravings that first week. I even had nightmares of a bowl of rice chasing me around. Seriously, it was bad. But after the first week, I was fine. I was less hungry and my cravings went away by like 60%, I'd say. Now, fast forward to today, I'm still doing 2 meals a day, but my cravings are completely gone. And fortunately for me, I never got the keto flu because I was taking enough electrolytes a day. I made sure that I had my electrolytes before my first day of keto, and that's really the key, guys. As far as food, I made sure I ate everything organic. If I could find it organic. I usually eat the typical keto staples like eggs, steak, fish, bacon, kale, spinach, cheese, healthy oils, nuts and seeds. Basically, I went through the list of keto approved foods and I used Dr. Berg's lists and I shopped for all the foods that I could tolerate from the list, and I've been eating those over and over again this past month. So for next month, I'm trying to experiment more. I'm going to try some of the cool recipes I usually see people making, but as well last month I just kept it extremely simple and basic. So my goal this time was to do a monthly weigh-in because every time I get on a weight loss journey, I get really obsessed with the scale, which becomes discouraging. Let's look at some before and after pictures. All right, here we go. I started off at 235 pounds on January 3rd. Yes, guys, 235! Oh. Like I said, I'll be doing my weigh-ins once a month, but I've been taking progress pictures every 10 days. This was day 1. This is day 20. And this is day 30, which was about a few days ago. And this is all the days combined. So far, I'm down to 210 pounds, which is really mostly water weight and a little fat burning. Before I leave, I want to share this quote I saw from Dr. Candy Berry's Instagram page. It says, "Your current weight is someone else's goal weight." That really resonated a lot with me Because a lot of times I look at someone that's at my goal weight and looks nice and shredded like I want to eventually be, and I start to feel hopeless, wondering if I'll ever get to that goal weight. But when I read this quote, I realized that there's someone out there that would love to be at my current weight. There's someone out there that's maybe 500 pounds and every day is like, I wish I could just hit that 400-pound mark. And then that person that's 300 pounds that can't wait until they hit 200 and then maybe 150 or 120 pounds, whatever their goal weight is. So I just want to encourage you that wherever you are, the goal is just to get started and keep going. Focus on you and don't fall into the trap of comparing yourselves to others. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Bye.